Are you ready to transform your Nissan Frontier into the ultimate adventure vehicle? In today's video, we're diving into the world of tonneau covers, specifically the best tonneau covers for your Nissan Frontier. If you've ever struggled with cargo security or battled against harsh weather conditions, you know how crucial the right cover can be. Discover game-changing options that combine style, durability, and unmatched functionality. From sleek, aerodynamic designs to rugged, heavy-duty solutions, we'll reveal which tonneau covers reign supreme. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. Your truck deserves the best. Hit that play button to uncover the secret weapons that will elevate your Frontier experience to the next level. Let's get started. Number 7. AutoBull Hardtop Trifold Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for your 2005 to 2025 Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed. This hard folding cover combines durability and security with its premium construction of alloy steel and fiberglass, ensuring superior strength and longevity. Designed for a perfect fit, it comes with 2 sets of clamps to accommodate truck beds with or without utility track rails. What sets this tonneau cover apart is its enhanced anti-theft locking mechanisms, which keep your cargo safe and secure. Plus, it offers all-weather protection, shielding your belongings from rain, snow, and extreme weather conditions. With its trifold design, accessing your truck bed has never been easier, allowing for quick and hassle-free loading and unloading. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for Nissan Frontier, the AutoBull Hardtop Trifold Tonneau Cover is your go-to solution, blending functionality and style perfectly. Upgrade your truck's capabilities today and drive with confidence, knowing your cargo is protected. Number 6. Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a top-notch choice. Designed specifically for the 5-foot bed of 2005 to 2025 Nissan Frontiers, excluding Mexico. Its user-friendly installation requires no drilling, thanks to the included no-drill clamps and easy-to-follow instructions. Enjoy hassle-free access to your truck bed by simply rolling the cover up to the bulkhead. What sets this cover apart is its water-repellent design, featuring arched crossbars that prevent water accumulation. Built with durable double-layer PVC, it withstands tears and abrasions, ensuring longevity, while the sturdy aluminum framework and stainless steel clamps provide a secure seal. The reliable spring latching system, paired with an adjustable tension system, guarantees a tight, wrinkle-free fit that protects your cargo against the elements. Elevate your truck's utility and style with the Autosaver 88 Tonneau Cover, the perfect blend of functionality and performance for every Nissan Frontier owner. Number 5. Tyger Auto presents the T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a perfect fit for 2022 to 2025 Nissan Frontier models with a 5-foot, 60-inch bed. This premium cover combines style and functionality with its sleek design and heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl. Its innovative dual coating ensures durability, while built-in horizontal crossbars provide essential support when laid flat. Enjoy hassle-free access to your truck bed as the cover rolls conveniently, allowing you to transport large items effortlessly. Securing your cargo is a breeze with a Velcro strip on the sides and a durable latch lock system at the tailgate. The adjustable tension system maintains a snug fit and keeps the vinyl wrinkle-free in any weather. Installation is simple, requiring no drilling, and comes with all necessary instructions and hardware. However, note that small holes may need to be made in the bed liner for over-the-bed rail liners. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tyger T1 is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier. Number 4. WHALEMOTOR Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, the ultimate solution for your Nissan Frontier 2005 to 2024 with a 5-foot short box. This roll-up cover is custom-made to fit perfectly, accommodating trucks with or without a utility track rail system. Installation is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly clamping system, requiring no tools to set up. The easy roll-up design provides quick access to your truck bed, making loading and unloading hassle-free. Constructed from high-quality vinyl and aluminum, this tonneau cover is not only durable but also weather-resistant, ensuring your cargo stays protected from harsh elements. The aerodynamic design helps reduce wind drag, improving your vehicle's fuel efficiency and saving you money at the pump. With WHALEMOTOR, you get not just a cover, but an essential accessory that enhances your truck's functionality and style. Enjoy peace of mind with a 36-month warranty, knowing your investment is covered. For those searching for the best tonneau cover for Nissan Frontier, look no further than the WHALEMOTOR truck bed tonneau cover. Number 3. Calffree Hard Trifold Truck Bed Cover is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for the Nissan Frontier. Specifically designed for 2005 to 2025 models with a 5-foot bed. This cover boasts an impressive aluminum and polypropylene construction, ensuring durability and weather resistance. It effectively protects your cargo from rain, snow, and harsh elements, keeping your belongings safe in any condition. One of the standout features of the Calffree cover is its user-friendly installation. In just a few minutes, you can have it securely attached to your truck. And when you need access, simply fold it back for effortless entry to your cargo area. Security is also a priority, as the hard fold design deters theft and ensures your items remain protected. Moreover, this tonneau cover enhances your truck's fuel efficiency by minimizing wind drag. With Calffree, you not only gain a sleek and stylish accessory for your Nissan Frontier, but also real functionality and peace of mind. It's a must-have for any Nissan Frontier owner looking to elevate their truck's capabilities. Number 2. Yidamoto Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate companion for your 2005 to 2025 Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed. This custom-fit cover enhances your truck's utility while providing exceptional protection. Made from high-quality FRP sheets, it ensures superior resistance against rain, snow, dirt, and harmful UV rays, keeping your cargo safe and sound. Installation is a breeze with no drilling or modifications required. Just follow the detailed instructions provided. Built to last, this cover features a non-slip FRP sheet paired with a robust PP honeycomb structure, supporting up to 450 pounds. Stay secure on the road with the embedded clamps and reinforced latches that prevent any accidental openings. The Yidamoto tonneau cover offers versatile access options, whether you need a single, dual, or trifold. Plus, its built-in LED lights simplifies item retrieval in dim conditions. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier, the Yidamoto Hard Trifold is your go-to choice for durability, convenience, and style. Number 1. Flowkottu Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2005 to 2025 Nissan Frontier 5-foot truck bed. This premium cover boasts a robust aluminum construction, offering unparalleled safety and durability. With its innovative design featuring standing seam aluminum slats, this cover ensures impermeability against knives and rain, keeping your cargo secure. The integrated sealing and drainage system protects against UV rays, dust, rain, and snow, making it perfect for all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with a clamping system that requires no drilling, ideal for hassle-free setup. Plus, the cover can be retracted with one hand, ensuring effortless operation without obstructing your rear view. With a sleek dark matte powder-coated finish, it not only supports up to 600 pounds of evenly distributed weight, but also enhances your truck's appearance. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier, look no further than Flowkottu for safety, style, and straightforward functionality. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier can greatly enhance functionality and style. Whether you prioritize security, weather resistance, or ease of use, there's a perfect option out there for you. Remember to consider your personal needs and preferences when making your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more great content.